guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about some of the unique ways and some of the ways to make money online as an artist, as a designer, or even as a print-on-demand seller. So I'm going to be covering the few ways. So let's get straight with that. Before going good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel because we'll be uploading more such videos. And also guys, I have a bunch of the free resources for you for helping you make money online. All the resources are in the description box below, or if you want to download the free graphics, the free KDP interiors and patterns, then I have a website as well, that's globocreative.com. Head over to the freebie section and download all the freebies that we have, and it's contain full commercial license so you can use it, and make sure to check it out each month to download more freebies. Let's talk about today's video guys. Now, as the purpose of this channel, we talk a lot about making money online as an artist, as a creative entrepreneur, or even as a designer. We talk a lot about these things in this channel because this is the purpose of our Globo Arte magazine, which is completely dedicated to helping the artist and creative entrepreneur and getting more exposure online and also making money online. So that's the main priority, and that's what we do on this channel. So if you are really serious about making money online, then this channel is exactly for you. So many ways in which you can make money online as an artist and a creative entrepreneur. Now I'm going to be covering few of the ways. Now some of the ways are heard about it and some of them are completely new and unique. So we'll be covering the unique ways and an obvious way. So let's way to make money online as an artist, as a creative designer, selling your original art. Now I have talked a lot about by selling your original art, but now today I'm going to talk about where you can sell your original art. You can sell your original art on the Redbubble, Etsy, Amazon, Saatchi Art. You can sell it on your own website, Shopify, Wix, whatever website builder you choose. So selling the original art is one of the most common ways to make money online. And you can sell your own original designs online and can make money. So this is one of the most common method, and many artists get started with this method in the very beginning. But now I'm going to talk about the second method, which is selling your limited edition prints. You can create your prints around your own designs, your artwork, if you're a print-on-demand seller, your own designs. So you can create a limited edition prints and can sell it on the various different websites. You can sell it on the print-on-demand websites. You can sell it on the Shopify or even on your own website. There are so many ways in which you can do that. You can create the limited edition prints and offer the free shipping like on the Etsy or even with the connecting with the Shopify. Third way to make money online is by selling the commercial license of your art, of your designs. You can sell your commercial license, and when you're selling that commercial license, you can't sell that piece of art or design again for another brand, for even selling to your own customers. So make sure if you're selling your designs or art as a commercial license to some particular brand or companies or galleries, then it's an exclusive. You can't sell it on any other platform, and designs is a limited edition only. So that is another route, and many people, like many artists, make thousands of dollars by selling their commercial license of their art. So this is also the route if you're creating original artworks, and if you're really interested in selling and commercializing your art for some specific particular type of brand or collaborations or companies or art collectors or even for the art galleries. So depend for you, even some of the big business person also take the art and get the full commercial license of that, and artists get thousands of dollars for that one particular piece of artwork. Now talking about the fourth way to make money online is by selling your patterns, is by selling your designs and art as in the form of patterns. Like you can sell the commercial license of your designs. The third way, I talk about selling your original art as a commercial license and all. But now I'm talking about selling your art or designs. If you're creating the patterns or textures, you can sell the commercial license of that in the form of digital download. The one website that I have for you on the list is the Pattern Bank. The Pattern Bank is a new website, or maybe not for you guys. Maybe you have heard of it, maybe not, but it's a website where you can sell your own patterns, your textures, your gradients, and you can sell the full commercial license of your patterns to some company, some brand, and it is completely exclusive for that company and brand, and that company and brand will going to pay you a huge amount of dollars for in exchange of the commercial license, and those companies will going to use your patterns, your textures for creating their own clothing line or for creating their own products line, whatever they are using. But once you're selling that commercial license to that particular brand or company, you're no longer to be able to sell the same designer pattern to any other person. Unique thing about selling the commercial license for your art, for your designs and patterns. And I recently came across the pattern bag, which I found is quite amazing if you're creating your own patterns, textures, or even if you're creating your print on demand designs from scratch and creating the patterns, you can sell them. You can sell the JPEG files, the PNG files, or the PSD files having the complete layers, so that when you're selling a commercial license, that person or that company can use that design in textures and can edit them the way they want to. But it's an awesome way to make money online as a pattern designer, or even as a designer and an artist. You can sell your original sketch work as well in this way by creating the digital form of the artwork in the Photoshop, editing it, and providing the license of that complete sketch of the complete pattern to a company, to a brand. Now, talking about the another way, I think this is the fifth way to make money online as an artist, is by selling your art or patterns on textiles or on the wallpapers. Now, this one is new for me too, guys. I came across such websites where you can do that. That's a Spoon Flower. On this website, you can sell your patterns, your textures, your gradients, even your sketchworks, your art, or even if you're a print-on-demand seller, your own designs on these textiles, wallpapers, and can make money by that. People buy a lot of the textiles, like all of the clothing in a roll, and they use that, or even they buy the wallpapers for their home from that website. So this website is somewhat like a print-on-demand, but it's different because in the print-on-demand, not all websites in the print-on-demand have that facility to have wallpapers. Unlike, unlike Society6, they have so. But in the other websites, it didn't have that facility. So you can sell and you can become a textile designer or wallpaper designer, creating your own clothing line, creating your own textile line or wallpaper line, or even signing up on these marketplaces to sell your own designs and patterns in the form of a textile, like on the clothing or on the wallpaper. Another way to make money online is by selling your art to the gallery, like signing up for the galleries. There are so many galleries. Some are the offline, some are the online. Online is the Saatchi galleries, or there are a bunch of the different galleries. Although I haven't sold my any art to the gallery, because I think that if you're selling your art via galleries, they take a huge cut of your sales, and you are still dependent on that gallery for the marketing and the promotion. And I am a person who more believe that as an artist, you also need to know the marketing skills. Although many artists or many designers don't feel like marketing their work, they feel like someone else market their work for them. But I am a person, because since I'm a business owner as well, I market and do the marketing stuff for my own magazine as well. So I believe that as a designer, as an artist, you should be going for the marketing of your stuffs by you, because you have the full control over your work. But if you are a person or artist who don't like marketing and who don't want to go into that route, then you can sell your art via the galleries as well. There are a bunch of the online galleries, offline galleries. They have the different terms and conditions for you to apply for them and do the various things. But very well, the last I have for you in this website, although there are a bunch of the different ways, like you can sell the commission artwork, commission designs, or the print-on-demand products, the hats and stickers and all. But the last I would be covering for this video is all about selling your art through a merchant or through an agent, or even contacting the different brands for selling your artworks, or collaborating with the different companies out there for selling your art, for selling your designs. And it varies a lot, guys. Maybe you need to do your marketing, or you can hire an agent to do that, but it still depends on your own personal preference. Now, these are some ways to make money online as an artist, as a creative entrepreneur. And also I have a bunch of the videos talking about selling your art or as a print-on-demand platform or onto the Creative Fabric. I'm going to leave all the playlist or the complete playlist of those videos in the card section above, here and there. You can very well check it out, and you can watch these videos if you're looking for selling your art or designs onto the print-on-demand products or these print-on-demand websites online. But still, guys, it depends on you, because I prefer to have my own control over my business, over my own art, because it's the art that I created for myself from scratch. that. So I am the owner of my art, so I think that I probably do most of the marketing for my art, but still many artists don't prefer to do the marketing. So these are some ways. I hope you find it useful. Do let me know in the comment section below. And also we are accepting the art submissions for our magazine, so if you want to get featured in our magazine, on our Instagram page, on the blog articles, even the YouTube channel, the email newsletter, and there in front of thousands of people, then consider submitting your work. You can very well check it out. Our website is globoarte.info, and go to the art submission section. You can check out their stuffs, TNC. Submit your artwork for our magazine. That very well you can email us at the globoarte.magazine@gmail.com. Even you can send us any business query at the hello@globodivine.com. And we are a part of the Globo Divine, which is an international art directory. So this is our business email. You can contact us. So thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Are you selling your art, your designs by these ways? I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.